What's up, guys? It's Jake Fry, the Mazda guy. That's right. We are here on location at our Savannah J.C. Lewis Mazda dealership. That means that we've got beautiful brand new Mazdas, as well as our black label Lincolns and our amazing Ford products. Guys, this is a 2023, the first 2023 we've seen, Mazda CX-50. That's right. Now this CX-50 is super cool. It has been newly redesigned. We've got that nice aggressive kind of forward slanted Mazda front grille with our gloss black redesigned Mazda front badge, front fascia, chromed out Mazda badge, and we've got our better Mazda safety technology right up in the front. You've got a little stripping for your fog lights as well as headlights. Super cool. And this is actually a Premium Plus all-wheel drive Mazda CX-50. That Premium Plus package is going to get us these nice 20-inch painted aluminum wheels. As we come around to the rear, you're going to notice that we've got remote tailgate unlock, giving you access to the absolutely spacious rear hatch of this 2023 Mazda. And brand new, this car is costing only about 38 grand MSRP. Where else can you get a beautiful luxury leather Premium Plus all-wheel drive two-row SUV in America for under 40 grand? I don't know if there's another place you can do it. Maybe a Hyundai. Guys, let's get you a cold start. This is rocking with the 2.5 liter Sky Active engine, and I think she'll sound pretty good. As far as options, we talked about that Premium Plus package. We also have a cargo package with our cargo net in the back, with our roof rack, and this beautiful soul red color is also an option as well. As we come around to our interior, we're going to notice nice black leather finishing with some kind of brown orange contrast stitching all throughout. We've also got kind of a minimalist feel that Mazda has really kept across the entirety of their lineup. So we've got luxury, but we've also got a nice clean interior, not jam-packed with buttons. Really gives you that kind of ease of driving experience, all for a low price. We've got leather seating and a leather wrapped dash with that nice contrast stitching, as well as dual climate control. So we can have one side hotter or colder than the other. And this Mazda even has your heated seats as well as your cooled seats, tri-level throughout. So both your passenger and your driver are sitting in comfort. We've got Bluetooth as well as different sound controls for that Bluetooth system. We've got a physical tach as well as physical speedometer and physical gauges for our gas and our oil life. So if you're not so much with that digital dash, you're worried about that going out, Mazda's got you covered. We've got a automatic transmission with multiple MI drive modes. So we've got a sport mode, a normal, and we've even got an off-road mode, which will pair absolutely fantastic with that all-wheel drive system in this 2.5 liter Mazda. Push to start engine, and just like a lot of our luxury Asian and European cars, you're going to see a dial that controls our center touchscreen right there. We've got the XM radio and tons of different options. It's even got a navigation SD card that you can insert for navigation straight from the factory. Super cool. You've got a dual opening glove box, so you can actually have access while still using your glove box or your center console. This is actually your glove box with your Mazda book right in there, and we've got a panoramic sunroof with our roof rails up top. Super nice. And I mean, all this luxury, guys, is coming at a price of less than $40,000, brand new, before any incentives from Mazda. And Mazda does have some pretty great incentives right now. Guys, this is a great car. It's got safety features like adaptive cruise, blind spot, and I believe it even has your lane sensing technology. I don't know what else I could ask for 40 grand. Bose premium audio, all-wheel drive, and gets about 27 per combined gas mileage. We've got luxury, we've got an economy pricing, and we've got a great brand new vehicle on the lot here, a 2023, before just about anybody's got one. Guys, go ahead and drop us a subscription. We've got Mazdas, we've got Black Label Lincolns, and we've got the amazing products from the Ford Motor Company. This has been Walker Paul Tedders with Jake Fry the Car Guy here for the Car Guys YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, do so now, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.